25 tech trends for 2025. Number 1 will surprise you. Stay till the end to see which jobs will be hottest. Today we're not just talking about cool gadgets. We're diving into the 25 biggest tech revolutions that will completely change the world and create thousands of new jobs. Seriously, some of this stuff is straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening right now. We're counting down from 25 to number 1. You won't believe what's at the top. It's going to blow your mind. AI that can write a movie script in seconds. Computers that break all the rules of physics. The future is arriving faster than ever. Every single day, there's a new breakthrough that makes yesterday's technology look like a flip phone. It can be a lot to keep up with, which is why I made this video. I've spent weeks with my team researching to give you the ultimate guide to what's coming next. We're going to break down what each trend is, why it matters, and most importantly, what jobs you can get in these fields. This isn't just about knowing what's coming, it's about being prepared for it. The people who understand these trends are the ones who are going to build the future and make a ton of money doing it. I want you to be one of those people. Stay ahead of the curve, get a sneak peek at the jobs of tomorrow, and see the single most surprising trend for 2025. And before we start, I challenge you to subscribe to the channel before the first trend is revealed. Let's go. Alright, kicking off our list at number 25 is smart cities and infrastructure tech. Imagine a city that literally thinks. We're talking about embedding billions of tiny sensors into everything. Roads, buildings, power grids, you name it. These sensors are constantly collecting data, allowing the city to run itself with insane efficiency. Think traffic lights that adjust in real time to eliminate traffic jams. Power grids that redirect energy to prevent blackouts. Public transport that knows exactly where the crowds are and sends more buses or trains. It's not just about convenience, it's about creating cities that are safer, cleaner, more sustainable for everyone living in them. This is a massive undertaking and it's creating a whole new category of jobs. We're going to need urban tech planners to design these interconnected systems and figure out where all the sensors and tech should go. Once it's designed, smart infrastructure engineers will build and maintain it all. These people will be building the literal cities of the future, turning concrete jungles into intelligent, responsive environments. It's a huge field that's only going to get bigger as more cities around the world start upgrading their infrastructure. Coming in at number 24, we have advanced materials. This might sound a little boring, but I promise you, it's one of the most fundamental trends on this list. Everything we build, from our phones to our spaceships, is limited by the materials we have. But scientists are now engineering materials at the atomic level to have unbelievable properties. Room temperature superconductors that could make energy transmission perfectly efficient. Super strong, lightweight composites that make cars and planes safer and more fuel efficient. Self-healing materials that can repair their own cracks. This enables every other technology to get better. This is a field for the true innovators and builders. R&D scientists are at the forefront, experimenting in labs to discover and create these new wonder materials. On-screen text, R&D scientist. Their work is like being a modern-day alchemist, creating materials that could change the world. Once a new material is invented, advanced materials engineers take over. They figure out how to produce it at scale and integrate it into real products, from batteries to building supplies. If you love chemistry and physics and want to build the physical foundation of the future, this is the field for you. At number 23, we're talking about something that affects every single one of us: privacy. That's where privacy-enhancing technologies, or pets, come in. These aren't your basic passwords. This is next-level stuff. Multiple companies can combine secret data to get a result without revealing their individual data. Companies are desperate for people who understand this. Every company that handles user data, basically every company needs a data privacy officer. Then there are the people who build these privacy systems, pet engineers. Chapter 4. Okay, now we're getting into some serious sci-fi territory. At number 22 is brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. I'm not kidding. This lets you control computers with your mind. It sounds crazy, but it's already happening. The people pushing this forward are BCI researchers. Then you have neural interface engineers who take that research and build the actual hardware and software. Imagine sending a text or searching the web without lifting a finger. This is the absolute frontier of human-computer interaction.